this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a PSN password here on a PS5 if you did forget it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far, the easiest way to reset your password is to use the user profile that's not currently signed into a PlayStation Network. So go ahead and just hit the PlayStation button, go down to your account, select it, and then hit switch users. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and hit options just like so on this individual. And then from here, you could see if you could sign in. If not, simply go ahead and hit add user and then hit sign in just like so. Use this QR code on screen if you're logged in on the PlayStation app, or sign in manually. For example, select sign in manually, enter in your email that's with your account, and then enter in an incorrect password, and then go ahead and hit sign in. And what you're going to do is have an option to reset your password. It's going to send an email to that email address. Go ahead and open that up and then change your password just like so. Usually we'll have to verify your account, and you can do this by entering in your date of birth or another verification method tied to your account. But as soon as you do that, you're good to go. You'll be able to reset that password, and then from here you can come back, enter in that new password, and be all set. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.